by traveling we can actually new experience. That's why I have come in Kumilla Shalbon Bihar area, actually exploring about the new journey that is Kumilla Shalbon Bihar area. And we can see actually here different kinds of actually mini room. Once in here actually the monks stayed here and also they lived here and taught the students. That's why that time it was a great educational center of Buddhist time. Now it has been a great tourist attraction in our country. That's why people travel. After seeing, we can see huge number of people. They're enjoying in front of, that means in the middle of Kumilla Shalbon Bihar area. But we can see the broken bricks. Every bricks is the history of Buddhist culture. That's why if you come in this area or travel in this area, you can enjoy these kinds of actually amazing view inside the Kumilla Shalbon Bihar area. So you are invited into the Kumilla Shalbon Bihar area. So thank you.